Welcome students. Today we are going to learn more about clauses. Our topic of today is adverb clause. Now an adverb clause, just like an adjective clause, is a group of words that does the job of an adverb. An adjective clause is a clause that does the job of an adjective. Similarly, an adverb clause is a group of words that does the job of an adverb. Along with that, we should also remember that an adverb clause is a part of a sentence, and most importantly, being a clause, an adverb clause has got its own subject and predicate. Now, to explain adverb clauses, I have chosen two sentences. Look at these two sentences. These will help us to understand the difference between an adverb phrase and an adverb clause. Look at the first sentence. They started their journey at sunrise. When did they start their journey? At sunrise. Therefore, at sunrise modifies the verb started, and this is a group of words that does the job of an adjective. It tells us the time when they started their journey. Now, if we look at the second sentence, we have missed an Y over here. Let me write it down. Write that first. They started their journey when the sun rose. They started their journey when the sun rose. Now, over here, they started their journey when the sun rose. Here, if we underline this part of the sentence, when the sun rose, we'll see that when the sun rose tells us when exactly they started their journey. Therefore, this part, when the sun rose, modifies the verb started, just like at sunrise in the first sentence modified the verb started. So, is when the sun rose a phrase just like at sunrise? No, it is not. Because unlike at sunrise, when the sun rose has got its own subject and predicate. And therefore, this is a clause and not a phrase. And because when the sun rose modifies the verb started, it tells us when something started. That is why when the sun rose is an adverb clause. We'd like to repeat it once again. Because when the sun rose has got its own subject and predicate, this is an adverb clause and not an adverb phrase. Let us look at a few sentences that we have chosen to show you how exactly adverb clauses work. Look at this first sentence. Go wherever you like. The go over here is the verb, and this portion, wherever you like, is acting as the adverb clause because this has got its own subject and predicate, and this modifies the verb go. Sentence number 2 tells us, I shall not move until you come back. I shall not move till when? Until you come back. Again, until you come back modifies the verb of the sentence, and it has got its own subject and predicate and is therefore an adverb clause. Sentence number 3, you will fail unless you work hard. It tells us of a condition. You are going to fail if you do not work hard. So unless you work hard, this again is a group of words that does the job of an adjective, and this has got its own subject and predicate. Therefore, this again is an adverb clause. And the last sentence, when the clock struck 1, he went out. When did he go out? When the clock struck 1. So, this portion, when the clock struck 1, this is a group of words that modifies the verb went, and this again has got its own subject and predicate, and therefore this is an adverb clause. So students, what have we learned today? That an adverb clause is that part of a sentence which has its own subject and predicate, and it does the job of an adverb. It is a group of words that does the job of an adverb. It is different from a phrase because a phrase does not have its own subject and predicate. However, an adverb clause, like every other clause, has got its own subject and predicate. In our future class, we are going to learn more about adverb clause, adjective clause, and of course noun clause. Hope this short presentation of ours will help you to understand clauses better. We hope that we are going to meet. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.